Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Maulidia Nijihan Lutfia with registration number 1708824126. Master of Management Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University. Uh, I want to tell you about proposal seminar, the effect of transformational leadership style, work environment, and work discipline on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. The background in this proposal seminar is various organizing in Indonesia are navigating in increasingly dynamic business landscape characteristic by instant competition, technology and change, fluctuating customer expectation and persistent demands for efficiency in the context human resource as a company resource that plays a crucial role in the its activities have a responsibility to manage the operation of both human resource and other resource more effectively. There's I uh, got from Septiani et al. 2023. In this diagram, we have to look about the uh, aspect employee engagement in Indonesian 2024. The Indonesian has more the uh, significantly and height and demand from the aspect employee engagement. Okay, the next background is the phenomenon or the problem. We can see that the background, the diagram has the low performance, transformational leadership is not yet optimal, unfavorable work environment, low discipline, low motivation. The low is very low. Low performance is influenced by less than optimal of the transformational leadership, less than conductive work environment, uneven work discipline, and low motivation. Okay, the problem or formulation this research is the transformational leadership style influence employee performance at PT Bestindo. The second is the work environment influence employee performance at PT Bestindo. Third, does work discipline influence employee performance at PT Bestindo? Fourth is does motivation influence employee performance at PT Bestindo? And the fifth, does transformational leadership style influence motivation at PT Bestindo? The sixth, does the work environment influence motivation at PT Bestindo? Next, the seven, does work discipline influence motivation at PT Bestindo? 8. Does transformational leadership style influence employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo? 9. Does the work environment influence employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo? And the last one is, does work discipline influence employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo? Okay, the research the purpose of this study to understand, examine, and analyze 10 part of from this program formulation. First one is the influence of transformational leadership style on employee performance at PT Bestindo. The second one is the influence of work environment on employee performance at PT Bestindo. The third is the influence of work discipline on employee performance at PT Bestindo. Fourth is the influence of motivation on employee performance at PT Bestindo. The five is the influence of transformational leadership style on motivation at PT Bestindo. Six, the influence of work environment on motivation at PT Bestindo. Seven, the influence of work discipline on motivation at PT Bestindo. 8. The influence of transformational leadership style on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. And the ninth is the influence of work environment on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. And the last one is the influence of work discipline on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. Okay, there are the supporting theory. Theory is five variable. Five variable is per one is employee performance, transformational leadership style, and then next work environment and work discipline and work motivation. First one, the definition of employee performance according to Rifai and Ali, 2020, employee performance is measured based on how well employees carry out their duties and responsibilities correctly and effectively. The indicator of employee performance from Robbins and Judge 2019 includes quality work, quantity work, punctuality, effectiveness, and independence. And the definition of transformational leadership from according to June et al. 2020 is a process which is leadership inspire and motivate followers to embrace and implement organizational innovation and change by changing their commitment and readiness to act beyond ordinary text expectation. The indicator of transformational leadership style, according to Theo et al. 2020, as a follow: idealist influence, and then next inspirational motivation, intellectual simulation, individual consideration. And the definition of work environment, according to Parcilia and Giuliani 2020, includes the physical condition of the workplace, which together create a conducive atmosphere that has been proven to contribute positively to employee efficiency, effectiveness, and productivity. That indicator from work environment, according to Putuen and Sanchez 2023, are physical environment, social environment, skill and disruption, prospect, and earnings. The next one, the variable of work discipline, supporting theory of work discipline and work motivation. The definition of work of discipline. Work discipline is, according to Amin et al., work discipline is the attitude of respect behavior and compliance of employee towards all rules in the workplace. Without discipline, the vision and mission can't be achieved. The indicator of work discipline, according to Nawir et al. 2024, as a follow: attendance and punctuality, complaints with rules and procedures, work productivity, work quantity, work behavior, and attitude. And the last one is variable from work motivation. That's variable Z. According to Fo et al., work motivation is a psychology drive that arises from the fulfillment of basic needs, ultimately competence, social connection, and social condition, which direct and sustains an individual effort towards work goals. The indicator of work motivation, according to Hidayat Ansari 2021, that are achievement, recognizing responsibility, development, and the work itself. Okay, the next one is previous research. The previous research first is the effect of transformational leadership on employee performance from Krisdayanti et al. At the influence and transformational leadership style and employee performance case study of PT AMF. That research indicates the transformational leadership style has a significant impact on employee performance. The second one is work environment on employee performance. From Miftahuddin 2024, the influence of the work environment and employee performance at PT PLN Distribution Jakarta Raya. The study showed is the partial influence of the work environment on employee performance at PT PLN Distribution Jakarta Region. The third one is work discipline on employee performance from Sebariang et al. 2025, analysis of work discipline, job stratification, and work loyalty and employee performance at PT Perkebunan Nusantara for Regional 1 Medan. This study found the work discipline has a significant effect on employee performance at PT Perkebunan Nusantara for Regional 1 Medan. And the fourth is motivation towards employee performance from Ma'ruf 2025, analysis of work-life balance, work motivation, and work environment on employee performance. This study has that work motivation has been proven to have a positive effect and on employee performance. Transformational leadership style on motivation from Sapri et al. 2025, the influence of transformational leadership on employee work motivation in S. Rasanai district. This research showed the transformational leadership does not have a significant effect on employee work motivation. Okay, next, the previous research for the work environment on motivation that Matualagi et al. 2024, the influence of the work environment, the employee work motivation at the Manado City Regional Finance and Asset Agency. This study indicates the work environment has a positive and significant effect on employee work motivation at the Financial and Asset Agency of Manado City. The next one is work discipline on motivation from Hyatt et al. 2024. The influence of work limit and discipline on employee work motivation. The study state the work discipline has been proven at the positive effect. The next one is the effect transformational leadership style on employee performance through motivation from Nurlela et al. 2025, the influence transformational leadership style on employee performance through work motivation. The study found that transformational leadership has a positive effect on employee performance through motivation. The work environment employee performance stroke motivation from Marsudi 2024 analysis of the influence of work information environment on performance with motivation as a mediating variable on educational personnel at the Faculty of Engineering 11 Maret University. The research states that work environment has a significant effect on employee. And the last one is work discipline employee performance stroke motivation from Al Ansori 2024. The influence work discipline on employee performance stroke motivation is an intervening variable at Perunda Tirta, Kajuhuran Manga. The study state the work discipline has a positive effect on employee performance. Okay, the next one is the research hypothesis. Research hypothesis one is the influence transformational leadership on the employee performance at PT Bestindo. The second hypothesis is there is influence the work environment on employee performance at PT Bestindo. The third hypothesis, there is an influence work discipline on employee performance at PT Bestindo. The fourth hypothesis, there is the influence of motivation on employee performance at PT Bestindo. And the fifth hypothesis, there is an influence of transformational leadership style on motivation at PT Bestindo. The sixth hypothesis, there is an influence the work environment on motivation at PT Bestindo. And the seventh, there is an influence of work discipline on motivation at PT Bestindo. And the eighth, there is an influence of transformational leadership on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. The ninth is there is an influence the work environment um, on the employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. And the last one is 10 hypothesis. There is an influence of work discipline on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. Okay, the research. Time and place for the research is time for July until December or until finish. And the location of this research is PT Bestindo Putra, PT Bestindo, that's headquarters and second branch. The domination at North Jakarta and population at all of the employees of PT Bestindo Putra, at PT Bestindo, that is 255 employees, and the sample is 156 employees from PT Bestindo employees. The data collection techniques is I use the survey and questionnaire. That questionnaire I will be uh, distribute to staff or and the staff and will distribute to the all employees at PT Bestindo. And data analysis technique is PLSM, partial least square structural equation modeling. Okay, thank you for this presentation. I will thank you for all participants and for all the uh, change for to present this research. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.